These are hundreds of AI images I generated for free.
What?
No coding, no expensive GPU, and no paid software. If you've ever searched free bulk AI image generator, you've seen dozens of sites promising exactly this. So I spent months testing them. Google Flow, ChatGPT, BulkyGen, Perchance, Meta AI, Gentoo, DiGen AI, and more. Here's the truth, almost nobody says out loud. That tool doesn't exist, but the workflow does. In the next few minutes, I'll show you which platforms come closest to true bulk generation and the exact setup creators are actually using to generate AI images at scale in 2026, starting with the one that needs zero extra software. Let's start with Google Flow. If you're someone who used a Whisk bulk image generator before, you're probably asking the same question I did. Where did it go? After testing it myself, here's what I found. If you've been searching for how to generate bulk images in Whisk, that workflow now appears to live inside Google Flow. Let's see how it actually works. Unlike most AI image generators, Google Flow can generate multiple images from a single prompt without needing a browser extension. I simply chatted with the AI agent, selected either Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro, chose my aspect ratio, and sent this detailed prompt about pirates. Take a look at these results. I don't know about you, but I think these look fantastic. One thing I learned is that if you want every image to look different, you have to tell Flow that. I asked it to generate visually distinct images with different characters, poses, compositions, and camera angles. That one instruction made a noticeable difference. But to compare the models fairly, I used another simple prompt: astronaut flying in space. Here's Nano Banana 2, and here's Nano Banana Pro. As you can see, both produced impressive images, but Nano Banana Pro consistently gave me better lighting, sharper details, and more realistic results. I mean, the other one forgot the astronaut's helmet. That's probably a problem. But of course, there's always a catch. In my testing, Flow generated around 20 to 30 images per prompt before reaching its practical limit. The good news is that image generation doesn't appear to consume credits the same way video generation does, making it surprisingly affordable within that range. It also supports AI video generation and consistent character creation, making it much more than just a bulk image generator. If you want another free near-native option, Perchance is also worth checking out. In my testing, it generated up to 32 images from a single prompt, making it one of the few tools that comes close to true bulk image generation without extra automation. But what if you're already paying for an AI subscription like ChatGPT and need hundreds of high-quality images? That's where things get really interesting. On its own, ChatGPT isn't a bulk AI image generator. I could only generate one image at a time, which gets old really fast. But once I installed ChatGPT Image Auto, everything changed. Take a look at this. I simply pasted a list of prompts, one prompt per line, into the extension. If I ever ran out of ideas, I just asked ChatGPT to generate dozens or even hundreds of prompts for me first. Then I selected my aspect ratio, click Add to Queue, and let the extension do the work. Now, watch what happens. Instead of manually generating images one by one, the extension automatically worked through the entire prompt list. And if you've ever wondered how to generate images from ChatGPT in bulk, this is honestly one of the easiest workflows I've tested. I even turned on auto download, so every completed image was saved automatically while the next one was already generating. And here are the final results. The images turned out fantastic. Honestly, I wasn't expecting them to look this good. But to be fair, I tested this on a paid ChatGPT plan, so that definitely played a big role in the quality I was getting. The only catch is that this is still a browser extension. Like most bulk image generation extensions, it depends on the website staying the same. So I avoided clicking around the ChatGPT tab while it was running, and I definitely recommend reviewing the permissions before installing it. Now, that covers the mainstream tools most people already pay for. But what about doing this for free, the thing everyone was searching for in the first place? The answer to that is the same thing this entire video has been building toward. It's not another tool. It's the workflow. After testing everything, I realized you can get surprisingly close to a free bulk AI image generator, just not in the way most people expect. Platforms like Meta AI, GenTube, and DiGen AI are all excellent free image generators, but on their own, they still create one image at a time. The trick is pairing them with an automation tool like BulkyGen, which turns them into a genuine semi-bulk workflow without spending much, or in some cases, without spending anything at all. Here's how I set it up. Just like the ChatGPT extension, I logged into each platform first, pasted my prompts one prompt per line, and let BulkyGen handle the repetitive work. Once it finished, every generated image was downloaded automatically. Now, let's see how each platform performed. Starting with Google Flow, BulkyGen generated 4 images per prompt. The results actually looked pretty good, especially after I tweaked the prompts by specifying an art style, aspect ratio, and asking for visually distinct images. Then I tested something almost nobody talks about, DiGen AI. Right away, you get 300 free credits, and during my testing, each image only used around 1 credit. You also get access to multiple AI models. Take a look at these results. Honestly, they're better than I expected. They're not quite on the same level as Google Flow, but for a free starting allowance, they're definitely usable. Then there's GenTube. This one is completely free, and it was easily the fastest image generator I tested. But speed came with a pretty obvious trade-off. Just look at these images. Some had distorted hands, others had extra limbs, and a few looked like the AI completely gave up halfway through. If you're generating a lot of images quickly, you'll probably spend just as much time deleting the bad ones. Finally, there's Meta AI. I actually wanted this one to work the most because Meta AI produced some of my favorite images in my previous comparison. Unfortunately, at the time of making this video, BulkyGen still isn't compatible with Meta AI. The extension points to Meta's old image generation page, while Meta has already moved everything to a new one. Unless the extension gets updated, this automation workflow simply isn't available. And that's the reality of searching for a text-to-bulk image AI generator free or batch unlimited image generation. The limitation usually isn't the AI model, it's the workflow built around it. Sometimes you're limited by tokens, sometimes by image quality, and sometimes by whether the automation works at all. And if this video saved you hours of digging through videos promising a free bulk AI image generator that doesn't actually exist, consider subscribing. I test AI tools so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.